from sacrificing the last of your money.
Oh, I can't do this, bro. I can't do this no more. I can't do this shit.
To betting on the news and paying for it. These are times when traders lose everything, starting with this guy who has one of the unluckiest experiences a trader can possibly have.
Okay, I'm in a supply right now on GE. Let's see what we get today. Alright, way to go. Rejection immediately, so it's not looking good. Currently up 200. Yeah, I feel about to get stopped out, yeah. Unfortunate. Alright, well, we just got a crazy rejection immediately, though. I'm out of the trade, but no way. No way. No way, it's still going. Oh, bro, this is, yeah, man, I don't even know what to say, but say less.
The candle pulls a complete 180 and slams right past his take profit as if the market itself is taunting him. It doesn't get more infuriating than this. And that's not the only time the Forex market has wronged him either.
Alright, so I just entered shorts on gold. Gold has been dropping all day today, but it's not looking good though. I'm already down 600, 700. It's been like 10 seconds. 800. Yes, alright, say no more. Say no more.
On the bright side though, at least he is able to maintain his composure in spite of the losses. But sometimes what looks like composure is actually a silent battle on the inside, like this man who is left staring into the distance after it's gotta be a masterclass on how not to set a stop loss. However, $500 is different for different people. While he was visibly disappointed on losing it, some people couldn't care less. The primary mistake here is not bringing the stop loss to break even once the candle crosses into profit territory. This is the kind of small change that can save an entire trade. But there is a category of traders that absolutely no one can save, and you can guess who they are: meme coin traders.
I've at like 9% for almost a full year. But dude, that shit was so draining, dog. That shit was so fucking... Also, I'm gonna get in here at 15K. We're gonna try to get in here and see what happens.
Investing in meme coins is like sitting in a boat that can flip at any second on someone else's wish. Which is why it's crazy that there are ways to be even more negligent with your money, like going to sleep halfway through a short.
$15,000? Mamma mia. I'm fucking stupid trader. Are you seriously, doggy? I lost fucking $15,000. Close. No, I don't believe it. I don't believe it.
That's gotta be one of the most expensive naps in history. In fact, he might have lost less money going to a casino half drunk. Tough luck. Asleep or not though, the market always finds a way to keep you on your toes.
Order filled. Order filled.
When the price starts spasming like that, there's not much you can do but pray. What you should not do, however, is sit and watch your money go down the drain. Unless, of course, it's a calculated trade.
I've liquidated this position, you guys. I took about a 3 pip L on this because I expected this to come down. Listen, I'm only human, right? I take L's too. It happened in front of you guys today. I just lost $1,500 on this trade. Am I crying about it? No, because it's a calculated freaking trade, alright? But 3 pips, I'm fine by that. I'm now gonna wait for the next 1 minute and maybe jump in for the wick fill.
Although it sounds like a strange thing to say, it makes sense. Trading is about discipline and emotional control. The ability to carry out your strategy and not abandon it over one loss or in pursuit of a big win. Traders should be in it for the long haul, not for short-term gain, and in that regard, this guy won. Now, saying a trading loss was a calculated risk is one thing, but losing all your personal information to scammers is a whole other thing. That's why I use Aura to keep my data protected. In fact, this video was sponsored by Aura. It keeps the scammers off my back by automatically removing any of my personal information off of those shady lookup websites. Trust me, once you're online, getting your personal phone numbers and email addresses off of the internet is way harder than it sounds. It's kind of terrifying knowing how much power some company has over my data. I looked myself up on Google and found so many websites that had all of my contact info. Old addresses, my personal and work emails, along with some phone numbers I use to sign into my social media accounts. Sure, some of these sites let you opt out, but they bury the forms behind CAPTCHAs and endless clicks. Aura handles all of that automatically. When it comes down to it, Aura's my all-in-one digital tool to keep my inbox looking clean and efficient. They take down anything that pops up online without my consent. They even send out real-time alerts if they ever find someone mentioning me on the dark web. Credit and banking frauds get the same treatment. It's their 24/7 monitoring model that helps keep my identity secure. I mean, since Aura keeps me covered with its $5 million identity theft insurance plan, recommending it to my friends and family was a no-brainer for me. You might already be using one or two security tools, but Aura puts it all in one app. Aura also offered me a secure VPN, antivirus, and password manager service, and their US-based customer care representatives are always there to help me when I need them too. Try Aura free for 14 days at https://seanaura.com/J-Schrader. To see what's out there about you so you can start taking it down ASAP. Now, back to laughing at your losses while trading meme coins.
Ah, fuck it. Ooh. Yo, check. Oh my god. Oh my god.
He's laughing like he knew he was going to lose. And let's be honest, trading meme coins, it's a pretty safe bet. But that changes completely when you're new to trading and don't know how flimsy meme coins are. And when you're advanced, you realize the entire market is flimsy and unpredictable. An $1,800 loss in just a few minutes. Brutal. Unsurprisingly, there are even more complex ways to lose money in the market, and it gets easier to do it the deeper you go.
Day trader,
Hopped
take a
into
loss on
SPX,
SPX trade.
buys, see how it goes.
Order filled.
Damn, I think I got a little bit too early, bro. I got too early on these buys. You see the FBI hop in the chat. Yeah, bro, I got clapped on these SPX buys. I got in way too early. I don't know what I'm doing, bro. I'm telling you, I should just stop trading Mondays. Yeah, I'm out of SPX. Closed out for a little loss.
SPX is just trading options contracts to bet on the price movement of the entire US stock market. Importantly, this guy can't look into the future and predict where the US stock market will go. But that's the point of trading, to narrow down the variables and make an educated guess as to what will happen. For that, you need to wait and gather information, something this next girl can't do. She's trying to play a breakout, but she missed one tiny detail, waiting for the actual breakout. She has determined neither support nor resistance, and the candle could go either way. At any rate, it's still better than what the meme coin traders are doing.
1.5 sold buy on the floor. Come on, bro. Lock in. Lock in. Give me a fucking 5x. Come on, babe.
Even meme coin traders have bouts of especially bad luck though, like this man who is chewed up by the market the moment he enters a trade. And when it comes to trading, veterans aren't living in an invincible bubble either. Alex, who turned $100 to $1 million, proves that point.
Fucking $1 million. Right now we're in drawdown, so right now we're down 200K. Let me show you guys. Oh shit, wrong phone. All right, so right now we're in drawdown, $200,000. I don't know if you guys can see that. Whoa, I'll get my face out of the way. It sucks to be drawn down $200,000, but
if a guy who turned $100 into $1 million can lose $200,000 in one go, what chance does the average trading bro have?
You can also have both open at the same time. These are like.
But isn't the goal to be like?
No, yeah. This is the type of coins where like you do want to sell them quick. We're pretty.
You said that after a dump.
Well, I didn't want you to like.
It's actually good that he's starting on a loss. Now he'll be wary of losing even more money. Some losses, though, they don't teach as much and sting much more. You can't act like you know what will happen after a major news event. That's why you should stay away if you're not sure, not invest a ridiculous amount on a hunch. Sometimes, though, it's the friends that drag you down with them.
Yeah. They just launched only one.
That's the fake one. Oh, it's the real one. That's the real one. It's like this. Wait, maybe they've double scammed though. Wait, maybe this is a double scam though. Let's go.
They're followed by.
And I look at that, it's trending! Oh, good! Oh, no, that's on! So, someone's going back up the volume. We got double work. See, I promised, I did say it. Yeah, you did. I did say it. Who was the guys that is following this that you said is legit? We need to block them, bro.
Oh man, what kind of alpha stuff?
An extension of this is when people queue after what celebrities say and lose their life savings in the process.
Trump is shilling from coin. This is a scam, right? Trump's tweeting again. I trust you. Don't. Go. Is this just short-term buying pressure? I'll add a bit more volume. Go. Yeah, I trust you, Trump. And you betrayed me again? I got screwed by America. I got it. I'm stop loss. Yeah, stop loss. I'm setting stop loss, please. Don't touch my line. Come on, please.
The Trump coin has been plagued by pump and dump allegations ever since its conception. Even presidents can't be trusted. The next clip is a great example of speaking too early when it comes to the market.
Oh, this one's really good. It's impossible to get rugged. I've been rugged. Never mind, it's not impossible. It's happened to me.
Not every loss is a trading fail, though. Some losses even show great trading skill, like this next one.
Alright boys, I'm getting ready to short gold very soon, waiting for a little bit of a reaction before I enter the short position. Alright guys, I'm in. The reason why I took this trade is because we broke above these highs right here, which stops out the sellers and it brings buyers into the market buying the high. After breaking above the highs, price has now come up to my key level, which is the entry point. This was a previous level of support. Price broke out of with very strong momentum to the downside. However, price never came back up for the retest to continue moving down. So now that we're at my key level, I'm anticipating that price is going to move down to hit take profit 1, 2, and 3. based on the idea that buyers are being trapped buying above the high. Alright boys, I just closed 25% of my position close to break even. I'm not a huge fan of how price is currently respecting this previous level, so to manage my risk, I'm making sure to cut my losses early just in case price moves up to hit my full stop loss. Alright boys, I closed another 25% of my position right here at break even, so now if price hits my stop loss, I'd only lose half of what I was initially risking, which personally I'm fine with. Alright guys, so the remainder of that trade did get stopped out, only lost half of what I was initially risking, which I'm fine with, and obviously I don't win every single trade, so hopefully you guys can take some value of how I manage my risk. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, follow, and comment for more.
He makes a fair analysis, gets in, notices he might be wrong, closes 50% around break even, and saves half of his money. That's poetry in motion, even if it doesn't result in a win. Sometimes, though, you end up losing money for crazy reasons nobody can see coming.
I don't even know how to end this. Hold on.
What the f? Why is she ending?
Thanks for joining today, guys.
What the f?
Oh man.
What the f? I just got rugged for $500. What the f? It's
And every new day in the market, you find a new way to be unlucky.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Out.
To take you out.
It's gonna take me out.
Oh.
Order filled.
Take those out. Yeah, frustrating day, lads.
That little tick was the difference between losing $2,000 and winning $5,000. In the market, the small things don't take care of themselves. Here is another trader who gets butchered by his own stop loss.
And
Order filled.
let's see if this thing can give us what we need, man. Just need the price to sink to the downside. Let's go. Let's keep pushing. Let's keep pushing. Let's go. Beautiful. Looks like I'm gonna be stopped out again.
Stop filled.
That's crazy. But it is what it is. Follow for more trading content. Peace out.
And when seasoned traders can't hold their own in the market nowadays, it's no surprise that a streamer can't.
Bubble! It sounded acting like it was gonna max win, bro. Yeah, when it did the Suns, it might.
What hurts the most, though, is winning a lot of money on the first trade, and losing it all and then some on the second.
I'm up 5K this session with you guys last night, 10K. 5K this session. Let's go long. Come on. Long 5. 5 cons, I'm long. Right there. I'm out. Let's go. That's a quick scalp. Yep, that's right. Look at the longs. What did I say? We're up 16K. Alright, I'm long. Only 5 cons. Right now. Yeah, 5 more. If I get stopped out here, I'm just gonna call it a day, guys. Yeah, if I get stopped out, I'm done. I'm ending the stream. It's about to stop me out. This shit is the raw reality of being a trader. Like, this shit just fucking goes south sometimes, you know, and it sucks. But it is what it is. You know, we move on and we get better.
It's when you have a clear line of thought and reason for taking a trade, even if it ends up losing, that it doesn't sting as much.
Alright guys, so I just entered a gold buy. I'm going to lose about $1,000 if this trade goes wrong, but I'm probably going to make about $2,500, $3,000 if it goes right. So it's essentially like, you know, double, almost triple what I'm going to lose. It's a bit of a risky trade, but the risk to reward is good. So that means if I lose 3 of these and I just win 1, then I get my money back. And I took this trade based on a big dump, and I like this bullish engulfing kind of candle. Seen this before, usually goes well, but yeah, anything can happen. I'm just following the trend. Right now we are going down today, but the trend is up on gold. You know, we're about strategy. Up 500 bucks. We're looking very good. I really hope that wasn't the high of that candle. And we just break down, and seen it before, it just breaks the low. Oh yeah, yeah. I think we just lost about $1,000. You win some or you lose.
Sometimes, though, you have a lot of reasons for doing something in a trade, and none of them are very good.
That's just how it is. You're gonna win, you're gonna lose. But this was another situation where I had started an initial position. I thought that this could go on a chill guy type run. I took a position, an initial position right here, and it dumped. So I DCA'd, and it just kept going lower. And this coin actually never recovered. So this coin really went from whatever it was up here, 80 million or so, and then it dumped and it never bounced. It never went back above like 30 mil on any of the bounces, and then it just died.
The Chill Guy run was the Chill Guy meme coin that hit a $500 million market cap soon after launch and held strong. To DCA is to dollar cost average, which means buying a fixed amount at the end of every period regardless of price. But here's the thing. DCAing on a meme coin that will never bounce back is basically throwing your money into the abyss multiple times. This next guy falls prey to the same thing so many traders have before him: stop loss.
And I'm in NQ longs. Stop loss below this level. Looking for a nice push to the upside on price. It's got a nice push from here. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's keep it pushing, let's keep it pushing. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Ooh, not looking too good here. I think I'm gonna be stopped out of this one. Yeah, yeah. That's crazy. Follow for more trading content. Peace out.
If only he had chosen the 2 candles just before the present one to set the stop loss, then he would have been saved. Alas, you can't know what will happen until it does. However, it's not always the stop loss. Sometimes it's trying to force a good trade that ends up making a bad one.
It's one of them freaking days. Support and resistance zones to go off of. But are they going to get there? That's the question, because it has been moving slow. Nothing to really hold on to here. We don't have support to go off of, so that's just wonderful. That is just fucking sweet. God bless me. Do I risk it? I'm taking the sell. I'm taking the US 30 sell. I am selling US 30. If this fakes out again, bro, I'm going to lose my shit. That was fucking gorgeous, baby. There's nothing better than losing $16,000. No, there's nothing better than losing $17,000 after winning a bunch of $40,000 trades. Why don't you just fucking eat into my margin just a little bit, huh? It's doing what it's been doing every single day, and it just sits at the spot that it kind of breaks out of, and then it just sits there for fucking hours.
A 17,000 loss, and he's still smiling. Either he's very rich or a veteran trader, or both. Now, losing money is bad, but have you tried explaining that loss to people who keep making wrong claims?
Oh, idiots! We're already in a fucking uptrend! You can't break structure to the upside when we're already in an uptrend! Get it through your head! We broke structure to the upside right here. Why? Because we were in a downtrend. This is not a break of structure. This is trend continuation. Oh, TJR, I saw a break of structure in the 5-minute right here. Idiot! It's already in an uptrend. It can't break the same structure 2 times in a row.
A man can only take so many losses in a row before he starts to break.
I think that really, sometimes it just feels like, I feel like pressure comes from just, it's not even looking, it's not even seeing, it's knowing that other people are just crushing everything. Every day, thousands of dollars, and it's not me. And that's, I think that's part of my problem too. It's just wanting to be great to be great, you just have to be great. You don't want, you don't expect, you don't whatever, hope. You just be great, and great things happen. So if I want to be great, if I want to do well, I just have to do well. I just have to do the things I know to do, right? Oh my gosh, man. hard, man. It's hard. It's hard to be alive, man. It really is.
And a beginner can take even fewer.
Boom, I'm in, guys.
Stop field.
Oh, there we go.
Stop field.
Ah,
Stop field.
damn it.
Back up there, or kind of bounced off this level from earlier. Now it's going to bounce back up. Sick.
What the freak? That's what I get for being impatient. Oh my god!
You can only go through so many traders losing money before you run into one who trades meme coins. It seems to be a quite common theme when it comes to meme coins.
This NMAX stock that got listed, and this was yesterday, so apparently the price was $10 and then it mooned to $210 in like 24 hours. And so of course, in the meme coin world, people decided that they were going to make a coin about it. I actually did trade this successfully. I bought it right around here and I sold it and I did make money on it, but I ended up buying back in because it mooned to 1.5 or 1.6 million. And I was like, okay, like this should bounce.
Common theme or not, if you lose money the same way every time, that probably means you should change your strategy, especially when the amounts are as high as 3,600. Another common theme is losing money around major news events, and this guy also fell prey to the FOMC meeting.
Alright, let's go for it. Let's go for it. Look, I know it's FOMC and shit, but listen, y'all got NFP. Y'all got NFP Friday, bruh. Just give me this one good move. They ain't gonna save me, y'all. Fuck! 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 Oh! Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Yup. Huh? Yeah. Yup. Alright, y'all, I'm logged out, bruh.
You know you've made a bad trade when your mom has to check in on you. But this next guy is the epitome of someone staking it all and losing. He is down on his last 1,000 and spends it all going short on NASDAQ.
Alright, so I'm going short on NQ right here. And I'm risking my $1,000. I went ahead and took out $1,000 and put it into a trading account, and I just wanted to document me flipping that money. This is the last 1,000 I had in my bank account, but I feel like I could flip it. It's about to be 9:30 opening. All right, 3 seconds to open. It should go lower. Wait, why is it okay? 370. 460, hold on, why is it going higher? No. 600? No. No, hold this FEG. No, fuck! Oh my fucking god! Oh my god, man! Damn it! Bro, are you serious?
And to finish it all, we have a trade that goes in the trader's favor, but not before he has been stopped out.
Am I taking a dumb entry right now? I feel like I'm taking a dumb entry. If I gotta think twice about this, might not be that good of an entry. I'm risk 6,000. That's how you should. Hey, cut risk. We're gonna cut risk. Okay, that's what you want.
And if you like this video, then you might like a similar one on the left or my newest upload on the right.